Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So today video viewers, I will share you beautiful crochet wall hanging design ideas. I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So viewers, my first idea is friends, I will show you. So friends, I am sharing beautiful crochet wall hanging ideas. These designs are easy, colorful and perfect for home decoration. If you love handmade crafts, you will enjoy this amazing project. Crochet wall hanging can change the look of any room. You can hang them in your living room, bedrooms, kids' room, or even in your office. They add a warm and creative touch to your home. The first idea is a simple round wall hanging. It's made with base crochet stitches and soft cotton, and you can choose one color or many colors to create a bright and cheerful design. This and weavers, and friends, my second idea is weavers. And weavers, my second idea is a flower wall hanging. Crochet flower always look beautiful. You can attach small flowers to a wooden stick or a matter, and this design is perfect for spring and summer decoration. And little friends, third idea is weavers. Leaf patterns wall hanging. Green crochet leaves give a nature and fresh look to your home. You make large leaves or small leaves in different shade of the garden. And friends, dear friends, you can also make a heart-shaped wall hanging. This is a lovely gift for family and friends. It is perfect for birthday, wedding, or special celebration. Rainbow wall hanging are very popular. They're colorful, cute, and easy to make. These designs are ideal for nursery rooms and children bedrooms. And dear friends, my next idea is friends. And viewers, if you like animal, try making butterfly, owl, or bird wall hanging. This fun design add a playful and unique touch to your wall. Mini wall hanging are quick and easy project. They use less yarn and can be complete in a short time. They are great for banners and for using leftover yarn. You can decorate your crochet wall hanging with beads, pom-pom buttons, or wooden beads. These small details make your project even more special. And dear friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz.